In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Hubspot. If you're looking to organize and manage customer issues or internal workflows more effectively, Hubspot's ticketing system is a fantastic tool to get started with. It allows you to streamline communication, prioritize tasks, and keep everything in one convenient place. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to brush up on this feature, I'll guide you through every step of the process to ensure you can create and manage tickets with ease. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a HubSpot account, no worries. You can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Once you're all set, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's official website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. It's a quick process, and once you're logged in, you'll be ready to follow along. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, navigate to the CRM section. Depending on your version of HubSpot, you might find this in the top menu bar or as a card option right on the dashboard. Don't worry if it looks a bit different on your screen. Just take a moment to locate the CRM section so we can continue. Next, within the CRM dashboard, look for the Tickets option. This is where you'll manage all your customer or internal issues. Click on it to open the Tickets page. Once you're on the Tickets page, look for the Create Ticket button. In most cases, you'll find this button at the top right-hand corner of the page. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scan the page, as its positioning may vary slightly. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Now, this is where you'll input the details for your new ticket. Start by filling in the ticket name field. This can be a brief description of the issue or request you're working on. For example, website bug on checkout page, or customer inquiry about pricing. Be as clear and specific as possible here, as it'll help you and your team stay organized. Next, move on to the pipeline field. Here you'll choose the appropriate pipeline for your ticket. Pipelines are essentially workflows that outline the stages a ticket goes through, from start to finish. For example, you might have a pipeline for customer support, technical issues, or internal team tasks. Select the one that best fits your ticket's purpose. Then comes the status field. This is where you'll set the current stage of the ticket. You might choose options like open, in progress, or closed, depending on where the ticket stands in your workflow. Setting the right status ensures everyone involved knows exactly what's going on at a glance. Once you've filled in these fields, take a moment to double-check all the details you've entered. Accuracy is important here, as it helps avoid confusion later on and ensures the ticket moves through the system smoothly. When you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and click the Create button. This will officially add the ticket to the system, and you'll now see it listed on your tickets page. And that's it. You've successfully created a ticket in HubSpot. From here, you can manage, update, or close the ticket as needed, keeping your team and workflow organized every step of the way. So now you know exactly how to create and set up a ticket in HubSpot's CRM system. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.